Hi guys, welcome to my vlog for today. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm gonna be meeting up with a friend, Danna, at a party, so I'll catch you guys when I'm with her.
It's me, Danna, you know.
The one from 77,000 views, you know.
Wait, yeah, trade me chairs. Go sit on the one so I can sit right here.
Oh my god, it's wet! It's wet! I'm gonna
Is a lot of people here?
I'm actually trying to make a vlog. You didn't do that to me? You know, gotta get that love headers.
So yeah, it's me, you know. I was gonna vlog, but I'm too
I
lazy.
didn't do my makeup. I was in the car.
Go subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Yeah, I only have one video.
We're about to hit 500, so keep that up, you know.
I'm about to hit 12 subscribers.
No, you have 13.
Really? Oh, 13. Segura? Okay.
It's really dark now. This is how it looks around. It's pretty big. What else do I say? Oh.
What are you wearing? Shut up.
Oh, I can get myself light.
So pretty, but I'm prettier. I'm just kidding.
Wait, you can't zoom in?
Why?
Hey guys! Okay. She's here! I have to go! They're gonna steal it. Carlos, can you take care of that?
I am currently getting a phone call.
I'll be back.
No, I can't watch it.
Just watch it! So, Mara decided to come. What? Where are you? Where? So Mara decided to come and she's right here and I miss her. I'm vlogging Mara! My vlog?
Oh.
Can you turn on a flashlight or something?
Yeah. I look terrible though. Just not show me.
So currently we're here at Bel Air partying.
Okay.
Okay. Get lit.
Hey. Wait, is your friend leave?
No.
Oh.
I'm not with her. I'm with someone else right now.
Who?
I'm with everyone in the beginning. So, I don't know what to say. I'm with them.
Oh no, my face is showing
Oh
up.
my god.
Let's go dance, Lluvia.
Well, cause I don't know, but like she got her new friend came now.
Yeah.
So she's with them. So should we go dance?
Yes.
Alright, let's
Come
go.
on, no, you can
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Come on.
I'm so scared, guys. I'm gonna go dance.
I'm not watching that.
Watch me fall.
Dude, I feel annoyed because I keep coming by. Security guards keep
I know
saying-
me too. So we're here and we're gonna. Oh my god. I need to stop going down.
Red sweatshirt.
Yeah. My phone can. So we're just walking right now, you know? We're currently in the car. I know I always say I'm currently doing something. I know it's annoying, but.
Their song, Lluvia.
Oh my
Oh, I'm scared. Is this first situation?
No, it's not.
Thank you.
Just for suspension, for the change, like what it do for me. I hit in there, yeah. For that bit, I for that bit.
Oh my god, it's a nice car.
I'll save all the bad, 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 I'll save all the bad. Yeah, hey, all my bitches like connection, they be lagging. All my teachers said I wouldn't pay. I'll save all the bad, I'll save all the bad, I'll save all the
Oh my god, there's a car. Look, look, look. Oh my god, she was looking at me. I think she was looking at me. Say hi to my vlog. Ah!
Oh my god.
Say hi to my vlog. Oh my god, the lady's staring at me like I'm crazy. Who wants to say hi to my vlog? Hi.
You honked the horn at me.
He did?
Someone did.
Did they?
Someone honked the horn at me.
Because I was vlogging them. Oh, this is my beautiful town. So here's the beautiful office. There's all the cars. Sorry, you're getting a beautiful angle. So we just got home. We made a mukbang video, so if you want to see that video, stay tuned.
Yeah. Oh. What are you doing?
What do you mean?